Today, we bring you the inspiring life story of a man who became one of India's most respected business leaders. A man who built an empire, not just for profit, but to help people live better lives. This is the story of Ratan Tata, a quiet, thoughtful man who led the Tata Group, one of India's biggest and most respected companies. He turned dreams into reality. He proved that you can succeed with honesty, hard work, and compassion. Before Ratan Tata was born, his family had already created a strong legacy in India. His great-grandfather, Jamsetji Tata, started the Tata Group in the 1860s. He believed in building India, not just making money. Jamsetji started businesses in steel, electricity, and education. He also founded Tata Steel and helped start the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru. His sons and grandsons continued the mission. One of them was J.R.D. Tata, who built Air India, India's first airline, and made Tata a respected name. So, Ratan Tata was born into a family of pioneers, but he had to create his own story. Ratan Tata was born on 28 December 1937 in Mumbai, India. His father was Naval Tata, and his mother was Suni Tata. But young Ratan's childhood was not easy. When Ratan was just 10, his parents separated. This was very hard for him. He and his younger brother, Jimmy, were raised by their grandmother, Lady Nawazbai Tata, who became like a second mother to him. She was kind but strict. She taught Ratan the importance of honesty, discipline, and kindness. Ratan loved to build models, fix radios, and play with mechanical toys. Even as a child, he was not loud or arrogant. He was quiet, focused, and gentle. These qualities would later become his biggest strengths. Ratan Tata studied at Campion School in Mumbai, and later at the Cathedral and John Connon School. After school, he went to the USA to study at Cornell University. At first, he wanted to study engineering, but he changed his course to architecture. He loved designing things. He even designed a house during his studies. Later, he studied management at Harvard Business School. While living in the US, he had a very simple life. He did part-time jobs, lived in small rooms, and learned the value of hard work and independence. This experience shaped his personality forever. Even with a foreign education, Ratan wanted to come back to India. He believed his future was in building something for his own country. In 1962, Ratan Tata joined the Tata Group. But he didn't start as a boss. He worked on the shop floor of Tata Steel, wearing a helmet, doing welding, and learning from the workers. This taught him how real people work. He said, "You cannot lead if you don't understand the work." He slowly started working in many Tata companies, from Tata Motors to Tata Tea, Tata Consultancy Services, and more. He was always calm and humble. But inside, he had a strong vision. In 1991, Ratan Tata was chosen to be the new chairman of Tata Sons. Many older leaders in the group didn't support him. They thought he was too soft, too young, and not a strong businessman. But Ratan did not argue. He worked hard to unite the group. He brought all companies under one strong brand, Tata. He made changes to bring new technology, better design, and global thinking. In time, he earned everyone's respect. But it wasn't easy. Ratan Tata wanted the world to know the power of Indian business. He led the Tata Group to buy companies in other countries. In 2000, Tata bought Tetley Tea, a British tea company. This shocked many people. In 2007, Tata Steel bought Corus, a big steel company in the UK. It was one of the biggest deals by an Indian company. Then came the boldest move. In 2008, Tata bought Jaguar and Land Rover from Ford. At first, many people laughed. They thought Tata couldn't manage luxury car brands. But Ratan Tata believed in the engineers and designers in the UK. He gave them freedom. Soon, Jaguar and Land Rover became successful again. This made Tata a global name. One of Ratan Tata's most emotional projects was the Tata Nano. In 2003, Ratan Tata saw a poor family riding a scooter in the rain. The father was driving, the mother behind him, and two children between them. He felt sad and thought, Every Indian family should have a safe and affordable car. That dream became the Tata Nano, the world's cheapest car. It was launched in 2008 at just 1 lakh rupees. People called it the people's car. The world watched in surprise. But the Nano faced problems. People thought it was a cheap car, not a smart choice. Still, Ratan Tata was proud. He once said, "It was never meant to be the cheapest car, it was meant to be the safest for the price." Every leader faces difficult times. During the 2008 financial crisis, Tata companies suffered big losses. But Ratan stayed calm and guided his team with strength. In 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, the Taj Hotel, owned by Tata, was badly attacked. Many people, including hotel staff, died. Ratan Tata personally visited the families of victims. He paid for their children's education and medical care, all without media attention. During COVID-19, Tata Trusts donated over 500 crores for relief work. He never made a show of his help. He believed in silent service. Ratan Tata is known for giving back. Over 66% of Tata Group profits go to charity through Tata Trusts. They help in education, healthcare, nutrition, village development, and innovation. From building cancer hospitals to clean drinking water projects, his mission was always to give people a better life. He once said, "Businesses that make nothing but money are poor businesses." Ratan Tata lives a quiet life. He never married. He once fell in love in the US, but due to family issues and timing, they didn't get married. He lives in a small, simple house in Mumbai. No luxury lifestyle, no big parties. He loves dogs, design, and helping young entrepreneurs. He often invests in small startups led by young Indians. He inspires many to be humble and kind. He built a special kennel at the Tata headquarters for stray dogs. He supports animal shelters and NGOs quietly, never for publicity. He showed the world that true leadership is not about titles or power, it's about doing the right thing when it matters most. Ratan Tata has received many awards. Padma Bhushan 2000. Padma Vibhushan 2008. Honorary degrees from many universities around the world. But more than awards, what he earned is respect. From employees to world leaders, everyone admires him. Ratan Tata retired in 2012, but he is still active in charity and business advice. His legacy is not just about money or big companies. It's about leading with values. He showed the world that Indian companies can go global with honesty and heart. He showed young people that you can be successful and still be kind. Ratan Tata's life is full of powerful lessons. Here are 5 to remember. Stay humble no matter how big you become. Think big but think of others too. Don't fear failure, it's part of growth. Support your people, especially in hard times. Lead with values, not just power. He once said, "Ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going, because a straight line, even in an ECG, means we are not alive." His life is proof that success is not just about money, it's about making a difference. If you found this story inspiring and learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.